Contact.
Making sure the tools are available to keep our brothers and sisters, sons and daughters safe while they're doing their jobs. It really is important to me.
I take a lot of pride in building parts for our country.
They want to make sure that they have the best tools and ground support equipment that are available.
Farwest has been a Boeing licensed manufacturer since 1967. Farwest makes ground support equipment and maintenance tooling to support the KC-46A tanker.
This is a boom pedal door spring compressor for the KC-46. I've been here for 35 years. It's been a pleasure to work here. I'm gonna make a stencil real quick.
Being the fact that we're in what I would call Boeing country, we have a large talent pool that has a long heritage, over 100 years of people working in aerospace work.
My grandpa was in the Air Force. My dad was in the Air Force. It seemed like the right thing to do, so after high school, I just joined. I just wanted to serve my country. My personal goal is to make sure that all the ground support equipment that we build here is the best stuff that all the flight line maintainers in the Air Force can use so they can rely on their equipment, because it's their job to make sure the aircraft is mission ready for all of its global reach missions.
We care about this program. It means security for our employees. It means future for our employees, and it also means continued development of our company and growth for our company and our suppliers as well. It's part of us. This aircraft is part of Farwest, or we are, better said, part of the aircraft.